Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be doing my BoxyCharm unboxing for May of 2025. Let's go and get right into this. So I actually canceled my BoxyCharm this month, but they on accident sent me and charged me for it. But this should be my last box. Maybe later I'll resubscribe, but for now, I'm giving it up. So let's go ahead and see what I got in this month's box. So you can see this is how it comes packaged. It did come with a card this time that tells you the prices of everything that's in there. You can see, pretty cool. Okay, to start out, let's go ahead and grab this one right here, which this is what I'm really excited about, like most excited about in this box. It is the Olaplex Volume Blow Dry Mist. It's a protective volumizer that shields from heat and humidity, and it is for all hair types. This retails for $30. I love Olaplex. I actually use their oil. So I'm really excited. I actually needed a new heat protectant, and I mean, this is probably the best one that I could have gotten. So super duper excited about this one. I will be using it. And because I'm moving to Oklahoma, the humidity here is crazy, so this will be perfect. Okay, so next thing that I got is this right here. I've actually already tried it, and I do like this a lot as well. It is a Glow Revival facial oil. You can see right here, and this retails for $49. So it is by that brand right there. I'm not sure how you would pronounce that. But it's just a face oil. I like to use it when I get out of the shower, and it's very nice. I don't know if it has a smell though. So not really. It's not scented, but it's very nice, especially for just hot days that you really don't want to throw on makeup. Just put some face oil on and you are good to go. What's that noise? Next thing is this right here, which is a anti-aging eye cream. This retails for $65. I'm actually using another eye cream right now, so I'm not going to open this one up just yet, but I will eventually use it. It's crazy that it retails for $65 though. This is what it looks like. I don't want to open it because I don't want air to get in there, but pretty standard little eye cream. So I will be using this when it comes time to it. I'm not going to open it like I said right now, but really excited about that. So the next thing that I got is this right here. It is a mascara by Blink, and it is the Amplifying Tubing Mascara in black. It retails for $26. I actually have that on backwards. So I like tubing mascaras because it's super easy to take off. It says it's great for curl, volume, length, and definition. I don't wear a lot of mascara because I do wear false lashes, but if I do want to like decide to grow out my lashes, I'll have a lot of mascara from BoxyCharm because I have so many brand new tubes. Like I said, this retails for $26, so not bad at all. I have one more thing in here, and I do really like this. It's not something that I would actually choose. I didn't get to choose anything this month because like I said, I did cancel it. So I wasn't even expecting to get it, and my husband said that I was charged for it, and then sure enough I did get one in the mail, which I already had got the confirmation that my account had been closed and everything, so I was really shocked. But this is a duo highlighter in Champagne Glow. It is beautiful. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. It retails for $20, so really affordable if you wanted to buy it again. That's what it looks like. I love this side right there. You can see it's just like a really pretty glow, and you can put this on your eyelids too, which I've done. And then this side is like more of a cream and kind of like a chunky glitter. You can see right there. And that looks really pretty too. Like I put that on my cheekbones the other day and it was glowing. So both of them are really pretty. Not something that I would have chosen, but I am glad that I have it, and I will be actually using this. So it's one of those things that BoxyCharm surprises you with. It's something that you really didn't think you needed, but when you have it, it's like, okay, I really like this. And it only retails for $20. So if I ran out, I could repurchase it with no problem. But yeah, that's everything in my BoxyCharm box this month. Let me go ahead and calculate it, and I'll tell you the total value of this month box that I received. Okay, so the total value of the variation that I received was $190, which I believe it came out to $37 that I paid, and I got $190 worth of products. So that's a really great deal. The only reason why I'm canceling is because we're in the process of moving and everything, and I don't want them to send it to my old address. So probably later on down the road, it's something that I will pick back up. But right now I have a lot of skincare and a lot of makeup, so I'm not really worried about it. But it is definitely a great subscription box. If you do like beauty or skincare, it makes it a lot more affordable. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.